Will it hurt? No is the simple answer. A properly delivered adjustment is not painful. Though you might feel slight pressure, we tailor every adjustment to the person. Their age, their body type, and comfort level is all taken into account. Here at Optimal Chiropractic, we use a specific tool called an activator that's a very gentle and low force way to get these adjustments delivered to your spine. An adjustment is a safe, gentle way to support your body's natural ability to heal and function. If you're curious, book a consultation and we'll walk you through every step.